Vont sent us some bike lights, and we've had these bad boys strapped on for the past few weeks. Let's take a closer look at the original Vont bike lights. Last week we published a video about bike light safety tips sponsored by Vont. If you haven't already, be sure to check that video out. The original Vont bike light has been their best-selling product since 2014. It offers a CREE LED bulb with a maximum brightness of 160 lumens. It has 3 light modes: low, high, and strobe. The beam can be adjusted from spotlight to floodlight by sliding the tip. It's mostly made of rugged aluminum, is IPX4 water resistant, and weighs 2.77 ounces without batteries. The light's dimensions are roughly 115 millimeters long by 30 millimeters wide. First, we'll need to fill it with 3 AAA batteries, which are not included with this one. Generally, I don't like the idea of sending disposable alkaline batteries to the landfill, so I recommend using rechargeable cells. These Energizer Recharge batteries offer a 700 mAh capacity, are rated for 1,000 charge cycles, and only cost a few dollars more than the single-use equivalents. Energizer also claims that they can hold their charge for up to 1 year in storage. We've only been using these for a few months, so I can't speak to that, but so far, so good. The mount seemed a little cheap at first, but the flexible plastic proved both versatile and solid. It includes 2 rubber mounting strips and can be mounted to most cylindrical rods up to about 35 millimeters in diameter. When strapped to our handlebars, it stayed in place while commuting on bumpy roads and gravel paths. For our brightness duration test, we first used the cheapest batteries we could find. These free Harbor Freight 205 mAh alkaline batteries were able to last for 5 hours at the high setting, but began to show signs of fading after 3 hours. While using the 700 mAh Energizer Recharge batteries, the brightness began to fade after 6 hours, as advertised. Overall, this light is perfect for recreational use at slow speeds. It could also pair nicely as a strobe light to complement a higher lumen headlight at higher speeds above 20 miles per hour. Being able to quickly remove the light can come in handy for roadside emergencies or maintenance. Repairing a tube puncture in the dark is not fun. This light also includes a small red tail light that runs on 2 CR2032 batteries and has 3 settings: steady, fast strobe, and slow strobe. This light is simple to mount and gives a bright red light easily seen from multiple angles. Although we tend to prefer USB rechargeable lights, one benefit of this setup is being able to keep spare batteries handy and simply swap them out on the fly without needing to wait for a recharge. The bike light currently has a 4.6 star rating and over 6,000 reviews on Amazon. Vont's Amazon store ships fast and from the US. My packages arrived here to Austin, Texas within 2 days using standard free shipping. Another popular Vont product is their dual bike light set. This set is Amazon's number 2 best-selling combination bike light and has a 4.6 star rating from over 2,000 reviews. It includes a white front light, a red rear light, 2 20-inch micro USB charging cables, and 4 rubber mounting straps. These lights can fit around a cylinder of up to 35 millimeters in diameter, weigh 1.5 ounces, and are also IPX4 water resistant. They also have a built-in clip which allows you to quickly attach them to various places, including your backpack, shirt, trunk basket, or rack bags. Each light offers a maximum of 80 lumens and has 4 light settings: high, low, slow strobe, and fast strobe. They have a USB rechargeable 650 mAh lithium ion battery that lasts over 10 hours when on the strobe setting. During our duration test, these lights lasted 3.5 hours on the high setting, which is exactly as advertised. They take a full charge in about 2 hours and can even work while plugged into a USB power bank. Although the front one is not quite bright enough to be a standalone headlight, these lights are the perfect low-cost complement to any expensive high-power headlight. We particularly like using them on the slow strobe setting because of their long battery life and are surprised at how well they stay in place. We've also been using Vont's Tron headlamp a lot and are really surprised by how many uses there are for this thing. It's not only great for a helmet-mounted spotlight, but is also perfect for night runs, dog walking, finding things under my workbench, up in the dark attic, or out in the yard. These lights are all great for grab and go if you're into that, but I also like to keep a second set of lights semi-permanently mounted at all times. They're clutch to have secured as daytime running lights or as a backup in case one set fails, runs out of battery, or gets stolen. This is especially important when parking your bike outside in high foot traffic, theft-prone areas. In this case, just remember, if they don't require tools to install, make sure to take them with you. This video is sponsored by Vont. You can find more of their products on their Amazon store page at vont.com or on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Vont is a US-based family-run lighting and electronics company committed to offering inexpensive, smart electronic solutions since 2014. Vont was generous enough to send us 2 sets of their bike lights, which we will be testing for the next few weeks, and then giving away to you during the upcoming Vont bike light review videos. In the meantime, you can enter for the giveaway by liking this video and commenting below. We'll choose a comment at random and announce the winner at the beginning of our next video. So make sure you subscribe for notification. They also gave us a 10% discount code if you'd prefer to order one now. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by checking out these Vont bike lights using our Amazon affiliate links in the description below.